My video guide is about getting rid of the browser hijacker called Magic-dark. The site related to this hijacker is Magic-dark.xyz. So this is truly a browser hijacker that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It may change a lot of important browser settings without the user's permission. In particular, it changes the default search engine settings, and when you submit some search queries, you get the results by some unfamiliar search engines. Typically, the majority of such browser hijackers are installed through unwanted browser extension. To fix the issue, access the menu More Tools, Extensions, then disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them. In order to be convinced that your computer is free of any other threats, we do recommend that you investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install it, and then start investigating your computer with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.